Okay, now that the oil is drained, there you go. Now we can put the little plug back in. Always make sure the first like 2 or 3 turns goes in like smooth. If you force it, you're gonna mess up the thread on it. So let's get another little friend right here. Say hello to my little friend. Is that tight? I use this fool every day, so I already know how much pounds this has or how to torque it. There you go. So now we are ready to remove the oil filter. That's a little case, one size 8mm there. Let's get rid of the 17. Put them on the side. Now the 8. Oh shit. What are you? Oh. Filming with one hand and working with one hand. Not a good idea. Okay, now when you remove that case right here, where's my finger? Right here. When you remove that one to remove the oil filter, you're gonna need a little oil pan right here. Of course, it's gonna leak or drop or spill oil. So if you're dirty, you're not gonna care. If you're clean, make sure you have something to catch that oil from there. And of course, put a little cover under first. You don't want your floor to get dirty or anything. Okay. So 8mm going in. Oh, it's gonna be too thick or what? Holy shit! What's going on? There you go. Need to go in first with the extension. Don't fall on the oil. There's your first 8mm. The second one. See, that's the oil I was telling you. Family pan on there. So we'll wait to drain it. Let me get that thing off. I'm gonna pause it, I'll be back. Okay, now the second 8mm is out. When we remove the case, the little cover from the oil filter, be careful because it has a spring inside. Don't lose it. There's a case. That's the little spring. Remove the oil. Spring right here. There you go. Pull out the filter. There you go. Now let's get the new one. It's always good to put some oil in here on the little ring, so it won't be too dry. There, the oil there. That's it. Little gasket ring going towards the engine. There you go. Only one position. It's in. Let's see if I can set this thing here. Oh, there you go. Much better. So now let's clean this off. There's a little O-ring right here. It's the first oil change, so I'm not gonna be replacing it. I'm gonna leave it. Then when you install it back in there, should be only one position, so you're good to go. Since I like clean, wipe all the dirt off on the outside. Of course, inside is clean. There you go. So first oil change 600 miles, and then every other should be like 1,000 or 1,500. But I'm gonna go do it on every 1,000 miles. So here's this. Make sure your spring is in there. There's a spring. I'll go back in. There's the one. There's the other one. This one I do not know the torque on the bolt, so I'll just go by feeling. Of course, you just don't overdo it. If not, you're gonna mess up everything. But I have my little impact gun here. There's good power, so I have to go soft on it. There's one. There's the other. And then we're done. All you have to do is add the oil and then we're good. Let me pause it.